How to fix CapCut lag. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut lagging issues. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to restart your phone. So here, if you're having the lagging issue, then what you can do is simply close the CapCut app completely, and after that you can simply restart your phone. And once you do that, this will clear temporary RAM issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to clear the CapCut cache. So here simply open the settings, and now here once you're inside it, simply scroll down and tap on apps and then tap on manage apps. And now here in this section, simply search for CapCut and tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the CapCut settings page, then what you can do is simply tap on clear data option shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, this will fix lag in most cases. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to lower the preview resolution in CapCut. So let's say you're editing some videos on CapCut, and while editing, if you have any problem editing those videos, then what you can do is simply set the resolution to the lower or medium, and with that editing will become smoother instantly. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to close the background apps. So here what you can do is simply tap on the recent apps section, and here you can simply close all unused apps, and after that you can simply reopen the CapCut. And with that, it will help you to fix the lagging issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to free up storage space. So make sure that you have at least 3 to 5 GB free storage. If not, then what you can do is simply delete some unused videos, downloads, or apps, and by doing that, it will reduce the lagging issues in CapCut. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to update the CapCut app. So here what you can do is simply open the Play Store app, and now here in this section you can simply search for the CapCut, and here you can check if the update is available or not. If not, then you don't have to do it, but if you see an update button, simply update it to the latest version, because updates often fix lags and bugs. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.